if you are not earning at least part-time income with TikTok creativity program. So, you are missing out. Because people are making thousands of dollars on TikTok by creating very simple AI videos, which took 10 minutes to create, and in today's videos I will show you a complete tutorial on how you can create the similar videos and go viral. So, watch the video till the end. Let's dive right in. Doing some research, I found this website. You can find the link in the description below, and this is the only way to get a US account right now. If you are not live in the eligible country, and if you put Online Profit Pro discount code, then you get 20% off. Once you are done, your next step is to generate our script. For this, go to ChatGPT and sign up for a free account. I can give you a prompt in the description below. Simply copy prompt and paste it to ChatGPT. If you want to write another topic, simply change the topic in the prompt. And here you can see ChatGPT provide his best. Now, we want to create a background image. For this I can use Leonardo AI. You can use any tool that you like. First look at what the question is about, and then write prompt to create a similar image. Then save the image to your computer. Alright, our next step is, go to canva.com and start your free trial for Pro account, and create a new design for YouTube Shorts. Then import the picture to Canva and adjust the size, then click on text and add a heading, and duplicate this to 5 times. Place the one on top, then the one below it. You have to do exactly as I am doing, and then place the answer box on top of the second one like this. Then write quiz question in the upper one. Then write alternative 1 in the second one, then alternative 2 and alternative 3, and here you can write answer. Increase video size up to 8 seconds. Now, we have to adjust the size of the text. For this, click on the above text and click on 3 dot, then click on show timing. You have to reduce its size to 6 seconds. Then select the other one and reduce its size in the same way. Repeat the process for last one. Once you are done, click on the answer and reduce this for 2 seconds just like this. Now we have to change its color. Click on quiz question and click here. And from here you can select the color you want. For example, I change the color to white, and you guys can see it looks something like this. For making it realistic, click on effects and I can select outline for questions and background for alternative and answer just like this. You can also add animation for text, which makes it more engaging. And it looks something like this. Then click on the image, you have to click on the animation, and then by scrolling down you have to select wiggle animation, reduce its intensity up to full. Now, you can see it's looking good. Now we have to put a timer on it. Simply click on elements and search timer and hit enter. Click on videos and here you can find many videos, so choose one of them that you like. For example, I can choose this one. After that, simply adjust the size according to your video. Make this timer to 6 seconds, and the last 2 seconds you can add ding sound effect. If you search in Canva, you will find it. Now your work is done. Now it's Canva's turn. Watch the video carefully. You have to go to ChatGPT and copy the entire text from there. After that, come back in Canva. Here, on the left-hand side, you will see the apps option below. Click on it and search bulk, and you can see this bulk create. Simply click on it. And select enter data manually, and here paste the text, and name them all and click done. Select the quiz question and click on 3 dot, then click on connect data. Here you have to select them as you named them. For example, I select one here as I named them. After connecting all of them, click on continue and click generate. It take few seconds to complete the process. And as you can see, this process is completed in few seconds. And here you have to do a little editing, and as you can see how it looks like. Now we need to add a voiceover which make it more engaging. Go to 11 Labs, you can find the link in the description below. Paste your first question and click generate, and download the voiceover. Go to Canva and drop the voice, adjust the size, and in the same way you can create their voice one by one. And upload the video to TikTok and earn money from TikTok Creativity Program Beta. So friends, this end the video. I hope you learned something new from today's video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.